Hi everyone, I'm Vivi from the Lymow team. Getting product design ready for mass production is no easy task. And making one product is totally different game from making 1,000. And as we finalize our injection mold for mass production, let's take a look at our partner factory together today. Let's go.
This factory has been doing injection molding for over 20 years, making plastic parts for companies all over the world. They have over 600 skilled engineers and workers in mold design and production, and they're experts at what they do.
Shilong is a mechanical engineer from our team, and Mr. Wang is a mechanical engineer from the factory. And today we are here for the mold flow analysis and for the final confirmation of our injection mold.
The mold flow analysis is a powerful simulation tool that predicts how molten plastics flows inside the mold cavity. It allows us to visualize the entire process before production begins. Through this simulation, we identify potential issues such as air traps, weld lines, and uneven fillings. These insights help us to optimize mold design and ensure consistent part quality.
This is a production workshop of the factory, and this is a plastic injection machine which melt the plastic in high temperature and inject it into the mold to create parts for assemble. And this factory has 134 production equipment like this.
We choose to work with this factory not just because they are experts in complex mold design, have advanced equipment, and great quality control, but also because they can scale up easily, optimize production to reduce waste, and follow all the environmental regulations.
Those are the mold bases for other products. And after this confirmation, Lymow One's mold base will arrive in 2 or 3 weeks. By that time, we will come back to the factory and show you shaping of our mold.